Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 965 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up or down on the screen to open the list of glances. And here we have the list of glances, and you can scroll through it by swiping up and down. Look for something like calories. By default, probably it won't be here, so what we need to do is press and hold the up button. Then find the option called Add Glance, tap on it, and scroll through the list and look for something called Calories. And once you find it and select it, press the Start button. And now the calories will be added to the Glances menu. And here we have our calories progression. And you can tap on calories to see more detailed information. You can also check this through the phone application if your watch is paired with the phone. So we can move this to the side, bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect application. So here we have the icon, let's tap on it. And then in the app, you should see the home page. Now, I believe you can scroll through the list or through the home page, and we have Add a Glance category, and under it, there should be calories burned. You can tap on here to see more detailed information. But if you're missing this glance right here on the home page, you can tap on more, I believe Health Stats, and then Calories. It will bring you to the same menu, and you have daily progress, weekly, 4 weeks, and 1 year. And you can check a lot of things, or rather, your progression for the whole year if you like to, and you can control it if you like to. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you check the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.